Good morning. It's first thing in the morning. I think it's well, it's not first thing. It's about 8 o'clock, so it's not too early. But I've been tasked this morning of cooking some breakfast, which there's the sausages, hash browns, and bacon, and baked beans, and eggs. That's all of it together now. Next time you see it be on the plate, and that's it all on the plates. And my wife is doing some toast. So 15-20 minutes away from Portesham Caravan site is
the Isle of Portland. So we have brought you to Portland today, and we've brought you to one of the most furthest points out on the edge, which is Portland Bill Lighthouse, as you can see behind us.
Yeah, I've took the drone up, so I took some drone footage, so hopefully you'll see that now. And that's Portland Lighthouse there. And this way, what is this over here?
This is the Trinity House Obelisk, which is a navigational landmark which was erected in 1844.
I can't walk that far at the moment, but the car park is literally just there, and then you've got the lighthouse and just the coast just along the edge here, so you don't have to walk far. You're literally there pretty much when you step out of the car.
I'd say it's really accessible as well, so if you need to push a pushchair or something, unless you're going to clamber down the rocks, you can pretty much get anywhere here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So we've brought you down to have a look at one of the areas called Pulpit Rock. So Pulpit Rock is named so because the large slab of Portland stone that you can see there laying looks like a book open on a pulpit.
Yeah, Richard. Well, unknown to us, you can actually get a tour of the lighthouse and go right to the top. How cool is that? They've got a gift shop, a little seating area so you can have a picnic if you want. And here's the times here. But you've got to be how tall, Rich?
1.10 metres tall.
Oh, I don't know if I'll make that. Anyhow. I've done about a 10-minute walk and I'm absolutely knackered now, so.
And if any of you are a bit like Tim and need to pee every 10 minutes, there's also public toilets here.
Yep.
So you don't have to worry about finding a bush.
No, there's no bushes, there's only rocks. So if you... Oh, just over here is there's a couple of kiosks. One that sells ice cream, the other one that sells anything from crab sandwiches to burgers. So they do quite a bit there. And just to the left, they've got the lobster pot, which is, it says restaurant, but they do baguettes and sandwiches in there, but it is quite expensive.
Nice food, but very pricey.
Yeah.
And then you've got a gift shop as well.
Yep, at the end there's a gift shop. They've got loads of seating outside, and there's loads of tables that look over the sea, so that's quite nice.
Okay, so we're at Tout Quarry, which is still on Portland, and we are going to take you to the sculpture garden at the quarry and see the Circle of Stones. So come along and have a look.
Yeah, I think it's only about 5-minute drive from Portland Bill, isn't it?
Yep.
So yeah, let's go and have a look what it's like.
So we're at Tout Quarry, and this is the entrance to the Circle of Stones. So the Circle of Stones is a selection of sculptures that have been made out of Portland quarry rock, and it's a regeneration project. So let's go and have a look and see what they've carved into these stones.
And the first stone we come across is an octopus. That's really cool. You have to get quite close to it. So I hope you like octopuses.
Might be a squid, actually.
Is it a squid? Doesn't say, does it?
Looks a bit squiddy.
There's lots and lots of different rocks, but you don't know which ones have been carved and which
Missed
ones
the
haven't.
cowboy Tim.
A cowboy Tim?
The cowboy.
Oh yeah, there's a cowboy hat. I did film that, but
And hands.
yeah. And what's that one then? Is that anything?
I thought it might be a sheep, but I'm not 100% sure.
No. There's loads. That looks like some kind of bird to me.
Yeah, that's definitely a bird.
And I don't know
I think
who
that's a dog's head.
Who's this meant to be?
That looks like me when I get up in the morning.
Oh. Okay. Oh, there's a sword in this one. Oh, actually, it's more than a sword. That's a person holding the sword. That's really cool. And over here, there's some vines coming out of a rock. That's all been carved in. Another bird. So this is all in Portland. Now we're not going to walk around everywhere because I can't make it. Because I don't have enough strength in my legs still. After my time being ill. But we'll show you a little bit. Well, I've been to Portland a few times before, but I've never been here. But if you look over in the distance there, that's the quarry. So I think you can go over there. There's lots and lots of walking around here. Like I say, I'm not going to do all of it. Lots of little ones just in the centre here. There's an owl there. I don't know what that one is because I'm at the wrong side. I still don't know what that one is. That looks like somebody's bottom. But you can see here there's loads of little ones dotted all over the place. And look at this one. That's probably the best one here. The Roy dog. Ah, the Roy dog is an old Portland tail which used to live at the cave hole at Portland Bill. People say he has one red eye and one green eye. Unknown to the hunt smugglers and fishermen that passed his cave, if you look closely you will see the eyes of his victims weaved into his fur. And if you look there, you can see some eyes. Ooh.
So you've got to really look around when you're here because there are little sculptures hidden everywhere. And on some of the stones, there's more than one. So they're very, very clever. Certainly spend quite a while having a good look around. Got like some figurine, bit of a lady. And the details in some of them are absolutely brilliant. Really unusual. Ooh, I found Tim. Hey Tim. They're literally just tucked in different places amongst the vines. It's really cool. And then you've got like a central round circle sort of thing going on in the beginning, in the middle here, which I'll show you in a second, with some little seats, and all of the little stones are individually carved. We might get to see a gnome in a minute. Oh, hello gnome. You've got all these stones around the outside, little seats, and then in the middle, like a massive altar. It's like something out of The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe here. You'd expect to see Aslan on top of it, with some eggs. You know, considering this is completely free to come and have a look at, I think this is brilliant. Definitely worth having a look. Free car park and 1 minute walk just up from there to be able to see this.